Hello my friends, and welcome to another episode of JC Bass Fishing Channel. Today we are at Lake Harding, Georgia. This lake is south of West Point, for those of you that don't know where it's at. We are looking at conditions today. We're looking at cloudy skies with a little bit of rain, probably 30% rain. It's cold, it's about 56 degrees. Don't know yet what the water temperature is, but I imagine it's going to be in the low 70s, maybe high 60s. Today we're just going to go ahead and look for some bass in some of the creeks. Since the water temperature is cooling down some, I'm thinking that most likely they're going to be moving to the back of the creeks, looking for some rock and stumps. Anywhere that they can get tied to it, and see if we can catch some bass and show you a nice video today with a lot of good content. Also, if possible, you're probably going to see me try a new rig, which is called the Inu rig, and we're going to try to see if we can catch some bass with that rig. It's a Japanese rig. I did a video, so all you have to do is look for the video in my last video, and that video is it shows you how to rig it and how it looks like. So we're gonna see how that rig works. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. It's a little one.
Okay.
It's a little one, but it's a start.
Enséñalo rapidito.
It's 11 incher. Hector's got another one. It's a little one, but hey, it's a fish. We're trying to figure them out.
Don't want nothing fast. That's for sure.
Yep. We tried some cranking, we tried some chatterbaits, we tried some spinnerbait, and they were not biting. We changed to a shaky head and a Texas rig, and they started biting. So it's a little one, but we're gonna find a big one.
Okay, a better one. That one counts.
Yes. There you go. That's the ones we're looking for. I'm bigger than that. Hector's got another one. That's a good one. All right, good catch. Hector's hook. That's bass number 4, I believe. A good one. Bring it in. Yeah, baby. Let me see that. Let me see that one. Oh yeah. That's a good one right there. Yeah, baby.
What is that? Yeah, you got my line up there.
That's not a bass.
No. Striper probably.
The way he's digging down?
Yeah. Big old stripe. Damn.
I'm taking this one for my neighbor.
You got my line, I think.
Yeah, it's right there.
See it.
That's a big striper.
Yeah.
That's a big striper.
Oh, that's a stripe. Thought it was a bass the way he came up.
Bring it on. Yeah, grab the.
Yeah.
We're catching everything.
Yep. Y tiene que ser grande because he's pulling.
Hector's hooked again. He says it's probably a striper,
Yep.
the way he's pulling. Yeah, it is a striper. Oh no, it's a bass.
Yeah.
Te lo dije que los bases están en el point. It's a bass.
Señor.
Huh? Yeah, that one make it.
Okay. Good.
Woo.
Señor. Miniature.
Hector's got another fish.
Miniature.
Yeah, that's 14. That's a spotted bass.
Damn, he ain't pulped this thing.
Took it all, huh? All right, guys, well, that's the video for today. It was a little rough this morning. We had a hard time finding a bass because there was a big change in the weather. We had a cold front last couple days, and the water temperature came down. It was about 68 degrees water temperature, but it was 54 degrees the whole day. So we went from like 68 degrees. In 2 days, we went down to 54. So we went in the back of the coves. We didn't see no action at all. We didn't see no shad moving, but we found shad at the entrance of the creeks, and all the way from the entrance to about Mid Creek. Past Mid Creek, there was no action. There was no shad moving. There was nothing. So what we did, we started fishing from the middle of the creeks to the front of the creeks, and that's how we started catching some bass. We also noticed that we fished some wood and we were not getting any bites. However, when we fished some rock or rocky points, we were getting bites. So we decided to look for secondary points that had rocks and primary points that had rocks. Then in the afternoon, we had some wind. Well, not some wind, it was windy. It was about 14 miles per hour. So it was windy, very windy. So we went outside to the main creek, to the main lake, and we fished some of the primary points. And we started catching some fish. We caught some bass, good quality bass, about 3.5 pounds, 2.5 pounds. And we also caught some big stripers that were also in that primary point. And they were hitting all the shad that the current and the wind was pushing those shad to that point, and they were there feasting on them. So So we found that, and we caught some bass. We caught some good stripers, and then we moved down south to check clear water, see if we had some luck down there. But we didn't catch any big fish. We caught a few small fish, so we decided to call it the day. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you was able to enjoy and learn a little bit something from our video. Don't forget to make some comments, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Tight lines.